Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my hair scrunchies for my small hair scrunchie business called Scrunchopia. So first, in order to make our scrunchie, it has to be 4 inches by 11 inch. Now you can always use whichever length, whichever measurement you desire, but I just prefer that. So after cutting this out, we're going to fold our fabric in half and we're going to stitch straight down, but make sure you leave 1 inch unstitched because that's the section where we're going to have to flip it inside out. So you see that little section that wasn't stitched? Now you're going to go ahead and push that out and take the other end and push it inwards, and that's where we're going to join our seams together. Stitching all around that little circle. So after doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and cold press this super flat. We're going to move onto our elastic band. So I'm using 1/4 inch width elastic band. You can use whichever you desire, whether 1/4 or 1/2 inch, and then I'm going to be using 7 inches. And yes, of course, I am batch making these scrunchies for my business. Make sure you check it out in the description box down below. Now make sure you tie your elastic band together. And then we're just going to go ahead and top stitch that section that we left unstitched. Alright everyone, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this video. If you enjoyed watching it, is there anything special you would love to see me make? And also I will be making more of these type of videos, so please stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and turning your notification bell on, and go ahead and check out my Instagram and also my website for all my handmade scrunchies, and I will see you in my next one.